DisplayPort connector developed and produced by TXGA. It is a transmission interface solution for ultra-high-definition video equipment, aiming at the ultra-high-definition video signal transmission requirements of DisplayPort video splitters. TXGA developed and produced DisplayPort connectors. The highest data transmission rate reaches 25.92 gigabits per second, and supports 8K 60 Hz picture output. Lossless output of ultra-high-definition video signals for professional-grade video splitters. TXGA has provided professional connector customization solutions for 15,000 customers around the world. To customize the connector, choose TXGA.